talking about?
No, Lethal Weapon in 1987.
Ladle. I don't cook. I don't know.
Yeah, Pitbull would be a pit too.
How do they know which name goes first?
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking about?
Because I live under.
They showcase. Oh, you did? Yes.
Tell me about the because I live under the main system.
What did I do?
Yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you want Dancing with the Stars as well, right? And
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal neuroinformation that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
You did Comedy Showcase. Oh, you did? Yes. All right.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
An interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
Predicated on linguistics, language.